EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for March 7th, 2025. It is Friday. The Friday video forecast is proudly sponsored by McCall Collective Brewing. McCall is a family-owned and operated brewery with 2 locations in the Lehigh Valley. Their original Southside Allentown location is at 102 East Susquehanna Street, and their second location, McCall Collective Tap House in Trexlertown, is located at 7743 Hamilton Boulevard. Both locations are open 7 days a week, have a full food menu, plenty of beer to choose from for both dine-in or takeout, along with local wine and cocktails. A new March menu is out at both locations, both the Tap House and the Susquehanna location. In fact, new menu items have arrived this week at both locations with 17 new items at the Susquehanna location alone, so you want to check that out along with your weekday specials that are continuously running. This was something they introduced in February, and they're continuing it until further notice. So you want to check that out, and for more details about that and all of their upcoming events, including St. Patty's Day weekend events next weekend, please visit their Facebook page, or to place online orders, visit their website, mccallcollectivebrewing.com. Proud sponsors of the Friday video forecast. So today we have another mostly sunny day, but another windy day. Okay, so it's mostly sunny today, but windy. Again, very similar to what it was yesterday. As we go over to the winds here, this is looking at 11 o'clock this morning. You see a lot of wind gusts here in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range, and some peak gusts in the elevations that will be over 40. I do think you're going to have whatever you had yesterday, last evening, take about 5 miles per hour off the top end there, and that's kind of what you're dealing with throughout the day here on Friday. And then once we get to the evening, this will subside rather quickly. Okay, so we get up through sunset. Right after sunset, that the winds are negligible. But guess what? Saturday, we have a similar situation with mostly sunny skies again. But we have cold air advection-related wind behind a cold front, which I'm about to show you in a second. And there could be some gusty conditions there on Saturday as well. More breezy, though. This is, again, take another 5 miles per hour off the top end here. We're looking at a lot of 20 to 30 gusts here during the day here on Saturday, with some peak gusts as high as 35. So we're limiting the upside potential each day. We're going down, but it's still going to remain windy, breezy, whatever you want to call it, over the next couple of days. Okay, so just bear with it. This is not abnormal behavior for the month of March when you have these temperature contrasts, especially going from warmer to colder on the other side. You get cold air advection related wind, and that can last for a couple of days. And this is a case of that. We just happen to have another system moving through that's going to come through overnight tonight. It's a very weak system moving south of our region, you see here, but in the wake of this, you'll have the windy conditions return, cold air advection return here for Saturday, which will give you the colder temperatures this weekend, with temperatures a little bit lower, as you see today above me in the video, 46 to 51 a day. We lower a little bit, not a tremendous amount, but a little bit. On Saturday, 42 to 48 is the temperature spread, and then we rebound close to what today will be in temperatures by the time we get to Sunday. Here's that weak system I was talking about. Could be a few isolated rain or snow showers as this moves through overnight tonight, but that's all the extent of what you're going to get. Taking a look at the NAM, you can see this looks rather robust in western Pennsylvania, but as it moves further east, it kind of falls apart. Again, a few areas could get a few snow showers when you get up toward I-78 or maybe 4 points north of there. Further south, it would probably be in the form of rain showers. It's just a little bit too warm at the time this is coming in. So again, this is just a few light rain or snow showers in our northern, central, and northern areas. If anything at all. Okay, so this is not going to be a big deal. Not really going to be sticking much. And if it does, it's just going to be a quick dusting, and that's it. Okay, so that's what you're dealing with overnight tonight. Then when we get to Sunday, we have a partly cloudy day, and that's because we have a system moving off to our north in Sunday and Monday. Here's the first system on Sunday. So just partly cloudy, mix of clouds and sun here on Sunday. This system that was earlier in the week, GFS was suggesting would come up and give us a big snowstorm. Not happening. Obviously, it's going to stay off to our south. Another Clipper system is going to move by Sunday night and Monday off to the north here, so that's going to lead to another partly cloudy day, mix of clouds and sun on Monday. But temperatures are going to rebound quite considerably. You see the red line here coming up. This is the heights line, suggestive of ridging coming into the region next week. So we're going to get a quick shot and a foretaste of spring. It's going to start building on Monday, not quite there yet, but Tuesday and Wednesday of next week are going to be exceptionally mild. A couple of days there in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. We're going to be flirting with 70 in our southeastern areas, but looks like it's many of us are going to be in that middle 60s, mid to upper 60s period during that period, Tuesday and Wednesday. And then once we get to Thursday, it still remains mild, but we have another system coming at us that's going to end the party on the warmth. I think and take us back down to near average temperatures or very close to it. But this is a cold front. It's going to come through late in the day on Thursday or Thursday night. Just a few showers with that, rain showers that is. And then once that moves through, temperatures are still mild, but just not quite as warm as what we'll see in Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. So we do have that coming this week, which is going to be a kind of a foretaste of spring, but it's just not going to last. That's what you have in March. You have a lot of transitional stuff where it wants to show you signs that of the season to come, and other times it wants to hold on to winter. We're going to have that both of those happen here just within the next 7 days. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for March 7th, 2025. Have a great Friday.